Hey everybody, Will here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to remove and replace the side mirror on a 2013 Chevy Cruze. Procedures will be similar for most Cruze models from 2011 to 2015, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open the door on the side where you'll be working, and use a trim tool to remove the small panel on the inside of the mirror. Disconnect the wiring harness by pushing in the tab on the side of the connector. Use a ratchet and 10mm socket with extension to loosen and remove the 3 bolts securing the mirror. Hold the mirror in place from the outside as you remove the last bolt. Then remove the mirror from the door. Position your new mirror assembly against the door and hold it in place from the outside as you thread the first bolt. Once the first bolt is threaded, reinstall the other 2 so that all 3 bolts are finger tight. Use a torque wrench to tighten those bolts to 80 inch-pounds. Reconnect the wiring harness by plugging it in until you hear it click into place. Reinstall the trim piece by snapping it back in. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional shop or certified auto repair service center in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.